Hi guys and welcome. This is me, JP Rose, singing vegan mum. Now, if you've never seen me before, I'm a singer, I'm a vegan, and I'm a mum, and every week I bring for you lovely, easy, delicious vegan plant-based meals, often with a Caribbean slant, sometimes not. Hey, who knows? Right guys, so how are you all doing? I've got a lovely quick recipe, really simple, really cheap to make. I wanted to make some kind of a burger thing, but I wanted to use a different kind of flour. So guess what? I used some cornmeal flour. You might call it polenta, and I use that to make my buns for my mushroom burger. I'm not going to mess about chat too much, but let me just say before I carry on, don't forget to like and subscribe. Here on this channel there's wonderful recipes. You should also check out my shorts. There's comedy, there's music, but it's all lifestyle, baby. It's all lifestyle. It's all about health. It's all about looking after yourself here on this channel. So guys, please subscribe if you haven't done before. Now let's do these burgers made with polenta. Delicious. I've got to tell you, it was absolutely delicious and filling. So guys, listen, go for it. I know it's a really tough time at the moment. There's a cost of living crisis. People are worried about paying bills, but I tell you what, if you went plant-based, you would definitely not have to worry about food so much, because plant-based food is cheaper. You've got beans, you've got lentils, you've got all kinds of legumes, you've got nuts and berries, fruit and veg. Really easy to source. And guess what, if you're worried about not getting enough proteins and vitamins and minerals, I always say eat the rainbow. If you eat the rainbow, you will not miss out on any of those proteins. But also remember to drink lots and lots of water throughout the day. And again, it will not only make you healthy, but it also will be good for your mind. Talking about mind, that's another thing to help us be healthy. Let's think about being grateful for what we do have rather than what we don't have. Here on this channel, guys, that's what we do. We are lifestyle based. We are all about the whole person, and the whole person is you. And so it's not just about good food, it's also about exercise, it's also about what we think about, it's also how we interact with each other. And guess what, that's what I'm all about. So listen, I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe. It was really easy. Give it a try. Maybe you might do plant-based once a week, and the next week you might go, oh, I'll do 2 days where I'll just only eat plant, fruit and veg, and you could just build up up from there. Hey, listen, no pressure. You can watch this channel and you don't have to be plant-based because we've got lots of great ideas. So listen, before I go, don't forget to subscribe now. You see that we're fun around here. You see how we mix it, yeah? You see how we go on around here. We gotta have fun, yeah? It's not all about being serious, yeah? So come subscribe to this channel. And guys, I'll see you next time. Now, as my dad would say, we're passing through the earth. So let's make it as healthy and as happy as we can as we pass through this earth. I will see you next time. Have a great week.